everyone, welcome to the English Junction. This is me, Disha Ma'am. So students, today I'm going to share some of the amazing facts about English and I'm pretty sure that you must not be knowing this. Okay, so let me tell you first thing, I have written a word pangram. Pangram क्या होता है students? So pangram is a sentence which has all the alphabets of English. Yes, pangram एक ऐसा sentence है जिसमें English के सारे alphabets use किए जाते हैं. That is pangram. And tell me children, what is the most commonly used and the shortest word in English? Have you ever thought of it? Yes, it is the pronoun I. It is the pronoun I. Pronoun I ही वो सबसे छोटा और बहुत ज़्यादा यूज होने वाला इंग्लिश वर्ड है. And can you tell me which is the smallest and the complete sentence in the English language? Yes, it is I am. I am एक ऐसा sentence है जो अपने आप में complete है. So for such amazing facts about English and grammar, stay tuned with Disha Ma'am at English Junction. Do like, subscribe my YouTube channel. Also like my Facebook and Instagram page. Take care. Bye-bye.